Social media has branched out from personal life and into the consumer world. Now more than ever, companies are becoming more prevalent on social media platforms. Not only do they use these platforms to communicate amongst themselves, but to respond to customers. This allows for better internal and external communication. Both Chatter and Sprout are still a growing presence in the business world, as many businesses are turning to new forms of communication. Implementing new business practices can be daunting. From a managerial standpoint, it can be hard to get comfortable employees to accept the new software without motivation. Also, some believe that implementing social networks do not help when it comes to the speed of decision-making or the organization of meetings. Lastly, from a technology standpoint, whatever is being implemented needs to be very user-friendly in order for workers to be willing to adapt it. Two companies that were able to successfully implement internal social networks were Carlos Bakery and Bayer Material Sciences. Bayer chose IBM Connections while Carlos Bakery implemented Chatter. Bayer was successful because management set clear goals for employees in order to implement the technology effectively. Bayer reports that now 50% of employees routinely use their social platform, while Carlos Bakery claim order errors have been reduced by 30%. I think enterprise social networks could be a very valuable asset to any company. It allows employees to stay on the same page and effectively communicate. If there is a clear communication in a work group, it can allow for more ease when completing tasks. The use of enterprise social media platforms can create for better communication among employees as well as improved customer relationship management systems. Better communication builds better relationships not only inside the organization, but outside as well. Social media platforms can be beneficial to teams of employees that have a large assignment on their hands as an easy way to communicate. Overall, the implementation of social networks can improve electronic business and commerce as well as the overall performance of the company. How could implementing social media networks harm companies? And could the emerging presence of online business relations create larger global corporations than we've ever had before? Yes, I think that implementing social media networks could have potential to cause harm to companies. Some employees could use these networks inappropriately or abuse the network for unrelated matters. Additionally, I think that many people are worried about the security of their information when sharing it on social networks. Yes, implementing the use of social networks and transitioning to a more digital business world means that companies can be thousands of miles apart and communicate like they are sitting next to each other. I think this can do a lot for the expansion of growth for companies all across the globe. In conclusion, internal social networking applications are becoming a vital part of daily business relations. They allow for ease of communication, which creates less conflict in the workplace. With increased communication, accuracy, and reliability of the company will increase, giving them the upper hand with customers.